Hey guys, in this video we'll see how to make ribbon pakoda. This is an easy, crunchy South Indian festive snack. Before we start, fit the Murukku press with the single slot mold. Now, in a saucepan, take 3 cups of water. Add in 3 teaspoons of salt. While this is heating, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on more such recipes. And bring it to a boil. Next, in a mixing bowl, take 4 cups of rice flour. Pour in the salted boiling water. Mix this slowly and carefully. Now add in 1 cup of powdered fried gram, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons white sesame, and 4 tablespoons of hot oil. Combine these well. Now sprinkle water little at a time and mix well until a uniform dough is formed. Take a portion of this dough, fill the dough into Murukku Maker. Now heat enough oil in a pan and press the dough into hot oil. Make sure to spread all around evenly. Make sure to comment below and let us know what your favorite tea time snacks are. Once half cooked, press lightly to ensure even cooking. And when it can hold its shape, flip and continue to fry. Once the murukku turns golden, remove and drain the excess oil. Enjoy crispy ribbon murukku with a hot cup of tea or coffee. See you in the next one.